This is how to transfer from Metamask to Trust Wallet. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can easily transfer any token at all from your Metamask wallet to your Trust Wallet or any other person's Trust Wallet. The first thing you need to know is that when you are doing this transfer, you must ensure that you're on the same network. That is, you are doing transfer from one network from Metamask, you must do the transfer to the same network on Trust Wallet. For the purpose of this video, I'll be transferring this BNB from my Metamask. This is my Metamask wallet on Binance Smart Chain network to my Trust Wallet on the same BNB chain network. The first thing you need to do is to go to your destination wallet, which is Trust Wallet, to go and pick up the destination wallet address. So this is my Metamask wallet. I want to pick BNB wallet address on Binance Smart Chain network on Metamask. So I will tap on manage crypto. You can see Binance Smart Chain network is selected. You can also select it here. If you tap this place, you select BNB chain network. Selected. Now this is the token. So you tap it, you scroll down, you can see I have 0 BNB token on Binance Smart Chain network. So I will come down here because I want to receive BNB token from Metamask. This is my Trust Wallet. I will tap receive. This is my BNB wallet address. Look at it, receive BNB coin. I will copy the wallet address. Copied. You can see it's copied. You can also capture this via your phone, but we've copied it, so we go back to Metamask wallet. So we are back to Metamask wallet. Whenever you are doing transfer from one wallet to another, mostly on every EVM wallet, that is Ethereum virtual machine compliance wallet, you make sure that the network you are using is very important. It will determine the charges that you will incur when you are doing the transfer, and there will always be charges all the time. Since this is BNB chain network now, you must make provision for the charges using Binance Smart Chain native token, and the native token here is BNB coin that we're transferring from. The charges will be taken from this amount. So every network you are using has what is called native token. So you must always make provision for charges on the native token of the network you are using to do your transfer. Don't forget, we've copied the BNB crypto address from Trust Wallet. To do this transfer, you just tap on this BNB because we are transferring this all of the amount. You scroll up. So this is the amount we are transferring. The charges is going to be taken out of this amount. We tap on send. You can key in the amount you want to transfer, but you have option to use the percentage of your total balance. In this case, I will tap maximum amount. I will tap continue. Don't forget that we're transferring to Trust Wallet, and I already copied the Trust Wallet BNB. I will come to this place to paste it. I will just tap paste. It's pasted already. It has sensed it. This is the amount that I'm transferring. I'm transferring from this Metamask to this wallet. The network I'm using is BNB chain network. Look at it. Network charges. This is the network charges, and this is the speed. That is almost instantly I'm going to get the money in my Trust Wallet because we are transferring between the same network, so it is very cheap. And mostly too, transfer on BNB chain network is always cheap, but make sure that this address is correct where the money is going to. So you just tap confirm. Look at it, it's going already. Transaction submitted. You can see confirmed. You can come back to home. By the time you refresh this place, there won't be anything here again. Refresh. You can see there's nothing in my Metamask wallet again. So I will go to Trust Wallet to go and check the money. This is my Trust Wallet. Look at it. The money is in my Trust Wallet. The BNB coin is already here. So this is how you transfer from your Metamask wallet to your Trust Wallet. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Click that notification bell. You will get alerted as soon as I publish my new videos every week. Also, ensure you take advantage of crypto reward bonus. You see the link below the description of this video.